Hey guys, Joe DeMarco from the Crazy New York Driver Show. Today is Sunday, January 31st, 2021. In this video, I'm going to show you all the snow plows and snow equipment that are out today ahead of time, trying to get a jump start on an epic nor'easter that has been predicted. So as we go through this video, I'm going to show you the unusual amount of snow plows and salters that the city dispatched early today, even before the first flakes have fallen. So as you can see on the roadway, it has already been treated with brine. This is a common thing lately. On the right side there is a tanker truck. He's one of the brine trucks that's dropping the chemical on the roadway. You can see how it turns the lane completely white. That is the effect of the brine. And guys, I got to be honest with you here. Now, I'm glad to see that the city is ready for this storm with both brine and salt, but I'm not so sure putting it down 12 hours ahead of time is going to do any good, especially with the salt, as you're going to see later on throughout the video as we go on. Some of you guys may notice these locations and you may recognize them. Keep looking at the screen. You'll see two snow plows going by. There's number one, loaded with salt, and number two is about to come by in front of us and make the left. The one that just went by before this one, we're going to see in the next sequence, and I think it's very interesting. I do believe these snow plows have just started their tour of duty, if I can use that term. Because as you probably saw, both of them were fully loaded with salt. Now, while those two guys weren't actually dumping salt on the road, most of the others were. Now keep your eye on the right side of the road, and you'll see salt truck number one. The man's getting out there, and he's going into the McDonald's for a little snack. His truck is still fully loaded, as I said. All of these shots were taken by me this morning in Queens. Keep your eye on the left side. You'll see a blade hanging out into the screen. This driver is actually dispatching salt on the road right now, and it's dry. And this part of the video was filmed, I guess, around 11 o'clock in the morning or 10:30. Look, you can clearly see he's dumping salt on this busy roadway. And the problem is, the cars run it over and they drag it to the side of the road. So I really cannot see what good this is doing. All right? It's 4:30 p.m. now, and as I said, I filmed this at around 10:30 in the morning. So I'm sure the cars have run it all over and dragged it out of the way. It is my opinion, and my opinion only, that I would like to see the city wait until the snow falls before dispatching the salters. Now, dispatching the brine trucks ahead of time, maybe that does good, I don't know. But the temperatures are so cold right now, I don't think it's doing any good. Right now it's 23 degrees, and it's only going to go lower. This is the warmest it's been in several days. So as I said, the snow is supposed to start tonight, I guess around 8 o'clock p.m., and snow constantly through Tuesday morning. I will probably make another video and let you guys see exactly what has happened and how much snow we got. So guys, remember, I'm Crazy New York Driver and you're not. Thank you for watching this location New York City video. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, hit me up below. Rock on and peace!